Hi there and welcome. This is Nellie Deutsch, a teacher educator who loves to teach and share. I'm on Google Drive, going to show you how you can work with an MP4 by adding it and sharing it from your Google Drive. So first thing I'm going to do is go into New, and then I can upload an MP4 file. I can also search for the ones that I have right here. By going into my drive, I can look for the type. In this case, I'm going to look for videos. Hit that. And then these are the videos that are currently in my Google Drive. Going to choose one of them. Notice some are MP4s that I've added, and some come from Vids, which is a Google Vids video generator. Going to go into this one and notice under more actions, I'll hit those three dots. And then what I need to do is share and make sure that it's public. So let me go into share. Now this is important. You can do it here, but you can also do it elsewhere, and I'll show you where. So hit share, and then notice by default, they're all restricted. So I'm going to go into restricted and choose anyone with the link and hit done. Now this video is public. Going to go into open with preview. And then
welcome everyone. Let's start with today's lesson.
Yes.
It's in my browser. Now notice what I can do here. I can download it. I can go into more actions, or I can go into share, copy the link again, copy link. Next, I'm going to go into my Moodle course, add a discussion topic. Now you can share the link anywhere. Going to give it a title and going to simply paste the link. That's it. Don't need to do anything else. And post to forum. Going to go back to show you what it looks like. Go into video and notice it's embedded. I don't need to do anything else. Everything is now automated in all my Moodle courses, where you just need to simply paste the video link that you have from Google Drive, and it gets embedded so you can play it straight from here.
Welcome everyone. Let's start with today's lesson.
Yes.
And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Subscribe and let me know if you have any questions in the comment box, or just add your comment. That really makes a huge difference. Thank you.